Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. Today I have a very fun inside gardening activity for us. So all we're going to need for our project is a cardboard box, some popsicle sticks, some tape, a pair of scissors, and you guys can either draw or print out little pictures of vegetables, whichever you guys would like to use. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut out our small vegetables and then use our scissors to also poke holes in our cardboard box about the length of the popsicle stick. Mom and Dad are gonna have to do this for you guys, but you're gonna wanna cover the whole box or as many holes for all the popsicle sticks that you have. And then we are going to use our tape to tape on our vegetables to our popsicle stick. So we're just gonna tape them right on top like that. So I have most of mine already done. So they're gonna look something like this. And then what we're going to do is use our cardboard box as our dirt garden. So we're gonna take our popsicle sticks and we're just gonna start putting them right into our cardboard box. This is really gonna help us work on our fine motor skills. So once you have yours all planted, you can make as many as you want and then you can pick them up and plant them somewhere else. So I hope you guys really like this gardening activity and wanna give it a try. And I would love to see your indoor home garden. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.